Discover fried garlic chips on this quick tip from Milk Street Television.
Here's how to do it. You take some oil, we use grapeseed oil, put that in a pan, add the thinly sliced garlic to the pan. And by the way, by not crushing the garlic, you're not going to get that really strong aftertaste. Set this on medium. And we're going to cook the garlic chips until they turn a really nice light brown. So they're done when they're just golden, and then you want to strain them out and shake the strainer just a little bit, and then pour that into a separate bowl and then salt them while they're still warm. And by the way, these chips are really great on noodles, they're great with fresh vegetables, they're also great in soups. You can also store these in the refrigerator, keep the chips and the oil separately. That oil is now flavored with garlic, so that's really great to use, for example, for a quick saute.